Okay, another fresh arrival, 2023 Honda Ridgeline RTL. It's red in color. It's got black leather interior. The RTL is one of the higher trim levels. It's got the nice gray alloy wheels there. Check out the back. You got the bed, comes with the bed liner from the factory. The magic tailgate here, how it opens. It opens this way, and then also you can open it this way, so it swings out like that. But the coolest part of this whole truck, you got a truck bed, or a trunk in the bed. It's where the spare tire is, the jack is. Obviously, it's going to go through detail. This car just came in the last hour. Honda certified, going to go through a 182-point inspection. Check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Fluids, filters, brakes, tires, you name it. It's going to be up to spec. You're going to get a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Best warranty on the certified business from Honda. Check it out. Again, leather interior, moonroof, nice display screen, power seat, lots of good features. It's going to be professionally detailed, 34,000 miles. Show you the screen there. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. As always, our pre-owned vehicles move fast because we take them in and price them right, and we make sure that they're standing tall and in great condition. Everything we sell comes with a warranty, 2 sets of keys, books, you name it, here at Victory Honda Plymouth.